Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now that you have your checklist, let's talk about how to create a solid maintenance schedule and tracking system to ensure your trailer fleet stays in top shape. Tools and equipment needed for maintenance. Having the right tools saves time, keeps inspections accurate, and makes maintenance far easier. Without them, you're working blind, guessing at tire pressure, struggling with stiff grease fittings, or missing hidden wear. A few basics cover most trailer upkeep tasks, while specialized gear handles deeper inspections. Basic inspection and lubrication tools. These are the must-haves for routine checks and minor fixes. Tire pressure gauge. A durable digital or dial gauge ensures accurate readings. Grease gun and fittings. Choose a pistol-style gun for easy handling, flashlight or work light. Many problems, cracked welds, frayed wires, are easier to spot with good lighting. Tread depth gauge. A simple tool confirms tires meet the dot minimum. Adjustable wrenches and socket set. For tightening loose bolts on suspension, lights, or hitch components. Safety gear, never skip protection. Even simple jobs can turn dangerous without the right equipment. Heavy-duty gloves, jack stands and wheel chocks. Never rely on a jack alone. Safety glasses, high-visibility vest. If you're working near traffic, make sure you're seen. Diagnostic and specialized tools. For deeper checks, these tools help spot hidden issues. Code reader. Quickly identifies electrical or brake system faults. Infrared thermometer. Detects overheating bearings or brakes before they fail. Battery load tester. Confirms battery health. Leak detector spray. Finds tiny air leaks in brake lines. Maintenance supplies. A few consumables keep trailers running smoothly between inspections. Lithium-based grease. Dielectric grease. Spare bulbs and fuses. With these tools, you'll catch issues faster and handle most maintenance tasks with confidence. The right gear turns a chore into a quick check, saving money and keeping trailers on the road. Implementing and managing your maintenance checklist. Creating a trailer fleet maintenance checklist is just the first step. Putting it into action is where the real work begins. Without a solid plan for scheduling, training, and tracking, even the best checklist can fall apart. Here's how to turn your plan into a routine that keeps trailers running safely and efficiently. Creating a maintenance schedule. A good schedule balances regular checks with real-world conditions. Not every trailer needs the same attention. Some see heavy use in rough terrain, while others log highway miles in fair weather. Start by grouping trailers based on mileage or usage. Environmental factors. Sample schedule for a mixed fleet, daily or pre-trip. Tire pressure, brake test, light check, weekly. Grease fittings, check suspension bolts, inspect electrical connections, monthly. Deep clean undercarriage, test ABS, verify load securing gear, annually. Full brake overhaul, frame inspection, axle alignment. Adjust intervals based on wear patterns. If tires show uneven tread after a few thousand miles, move rotation checks closer. Training your team on checklist protocols. A checklist only works if everyone follows it the same way. Without consistency, one technician might miss a worn brake pad while another over-tightens lug nuts. To build accountability, run hands-on workshops. Use checklists during training. Keep records. Make it simple. Use laminated checklists on clipboards for field work or attach QR codes to trailers linking to digital forms. Leveraging technology for maintenance tracking. Paper checklists get lost. Spreadsheets get outdated. Modern tools track everything in real time, so nothing slips through the cracks. Top tech options, fleet management software. Mobile apps. Electronic logging devices, the best part. These tools create reports for compliance audits and spot trends, so you can fix root problems instead of symptoms. With the right schedule, training, and tools, your checklist becomes more than a formality. It's the system that keeps your fleet moving without surprises. Common mistakes to avoid in trailer fleet maintenance. Even with the best checklist, small oversights can snowball into big problems. Skipping inspections, ignoring minor fixes, or cutting corners on record keeping might save time today, but they'll cost you later. Here's what to watch for so your maintenance plan actually works. Skipping minor repairs. A loose lug nut or slightly worn brake pad doesn't feel urgent until it causes a wheel off or brake failure. Too many fleets postpone small fixes, thinking, it'll last another few trips. But wear doesn't stop just because you ignore it. Examples of small issues that escalate: worn bushings, tiny air leaks, frayed wiring. The fix: address problems as soon as they're spotted. Poor record keeping. Memory isn't reliable. Without clear records, you might think a trailer's brakes were checked last week, when it was actually 3 months ago. What happens when records slip? Double work or missed inspections. No proof of compliance. Inability to track patterns. The fix: use a digital system or spreadsheet. Note the date, inspector's name, and any repairs made. Ignoring manufacturer guidelines. Trailers aren't all the same. A dump trailer's suspension needs differ from a refrigerated van's. Yet many fleets use a generic checklist, missing critical steps. We're going generic: fails, grease intervals, tire pressure, component lifespans. The fix: start with the manual. Build your checklist around the manufacturer's recommendations. Neglecting training. Handing a checklist to a new hire without training is like giving someone a map in a foreign language. Common training gaps. Not knowing how tight is tight enough. Missing early signs of bearing failure. Using the wrong grease. The fix: pair new technicians with experienced ones. Use real examples to show why steps matter. Failing to adapt to conditions. A checklist from 5 years ago might not cover today's needs. Signs your plan needs updating. New routes. Salted winter roads. Aging trailers. The fix: review your checklist every 6 months. Ask for feedback from drivers and mechanics. A solid maintenance checklist keeps your trailer fleet safe, reliable, and cost-effective. Start with daily inspections, tires, brakes, lights, then layer in weekly and long-term tasks like greasing hinges and checking suspension. Use the right tools and track repairs to catch small issues before they become big problems. The best fleets don't wait for breakdowns. They stay ahead with consistent checks and clear records, ready to put this into action. Download our free sample checklist and customize it for your trailers. A little planning now saves headaches and repair bills down the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.